Assalamu alaikum viewers, from behalf of your live team I am here. Today's our topic is history of education system in Iran, or the education system in Iran. Introduction. Education in Iran is centralized and divided into K-12 education plus higher education. Elementary and secondary education is supervised by the Ministry of Education, and higher education is under the supervision of Ministry of Science, Research and Technology and the Ministry of Health and Medical Education. As of September 2015, 93% of the Iranian adult population are literate. In 2008, 85% of the Iranian adult population were literate, well ahead of the regional average of 62%. This rate increased to 97% among young adults aged between 15 to 24%. Without any gender discrepancy, by 2007, Iran had a student to workforce population ratio of the 10 to 2%, standing among the countries with the highest ratio in the world. Primary schools started at the age of 6 for the duration of 6 years. Junior high school, also known as the middle schools, first includes 3 years of Dabristan from the 7th to the 9th grade. Senior higher school include the last 3 years. It is not mandatory. The student at this level can choose to study in theoretical, vocationally, technical, or a manual field. Each program with its own specialized specialties, and in the end of it, students are given high school diploma. The requirements to entry into the higher education is the have a higher school diploma and passing the national universities entrance examination, Iranian university entrance exam, which is the equivalent of the French baccalaureate's exams for most of the universities and fields of study. Universities and institution, technology, medical schools, the community colleges, and provided the higher education. Higher education is the sanctioned by the different levels of diplomas. Fogate diploma or a Kardani after 2 years of the higher education. Karsianisi, also known as the under the name license, is delivered after the 4 year of higher education. Bachelor degree Karsianisi ya Arshad is the delivered after 2 more years of study. Master degrees, after which another exam allowed to candidates to pursue to doctoral programs, PhD. History of education in Iran. Achaemenid dynasty. Scholars have discovered the documents from the around 550 BC relating to an emphasis on education in ancient Persia, modern day Iran. The documents urge people to gain knowledge in order to better understand God and to live a life prosperity. Religious schools were all set up in limited areas to serve the government. Although the majority of the problems focused on the religious studies, there were also lessons regarding admissions, politics, technical skills, military supports, and arts. The first higher education organization, Gaunspor, and the Jondispor, was formed during the Achaemenids periods around the 3rd century Safid dynasty. This dynasty marked the first of modern education in Iran. There was an mixed emphasis on Islamic values and scientific advancement. Muzaffari era. Formed in 1898, the Educational Committee was the first organized program to promote the educational reform not funded by the state. The committee was composed of members of foreign services, ulama, wealthy, merchant, physicians, and other prominent people. The conflicting interest of the people involved led to the difficulties in enacting the. However, they did succeed in the opening of the many new primary and secondary education schools. It also created a public library, offered adult classes, published an official newspaper, and established a printing company called the Book Printing Company. The Literacy Corps. The Literacy Corps took place after the White Revolution, which occurred under the Muhammad Riza Pahlavi. It was believed by the government that the majority of the population was illiterate, and the Literacy Corps was the attempt to change the statistics. The program include hiring young men who had a degree in a secondary education to serve in the Literacy Corps, and involved teaching children between the ages of 16 to 17 of which had not attended second grade education to read, the goal being to improve literacy to Iran in a cheap and efficient manner, which they also believed would improve workmanship. 200,000 young men and women participated in the literacy corps, teaching 2.2 million boys and girls, over a million adults. In many cases, the volunteers would continue to work as an educators after their conscription ended. Post-Islamic Revolution. At the post 1979 Islamic Revolution placed heavily emphasis on the educational reform. Politicians wanted Islamic values to be present within the schooling system as quickly as possible. However, the pressure due to the Iran-Iraq war and economic disparities fared from the for education back as other issues took priority. However, there were some significant changes made. First, same came Islamization of the textbook. The school were then segregated regarding to the sex of the student. Observation of Islam law in the schools became the mandate and religious ceremonies maintained. By the 1990s, more significant changes arose. The annual academic system switches to a system based on a credit. So, for example, if a student were to fail a class rather than repeating the whole year, they simply would retake the credit, and the mandatory duration of the high school was shortened from the 4 years to the three. However, the fourth year was still available as an option to bridge the gap between the high school and universities. Also, many technical and vocational programs were added to help train students for the workforce, which provide to the popular with students.